Valen's last day here in Michigan. He's going back to school in California. He brought these bananas with him all the way from Florida.
We do.
Look at this leaf. And now he's packaging it so he could take it back with him to California.
It's decomposing.
Yeah.
Where should I put this? Because it's good.
You can just put it here for now. Just want, you know, it's not important. It's good. We'll find a place maybe later.
Oh, the roots are growing into the grass. Look at that. Okay. Please just come out easily. There's a worm on my finger.
Ew. Just leave it. Just put it over there. No, it's fine.
Okay, and we have to spray it.
Okay, I'll get the hose.
That was a worm. Moss. I don't want to take back.
What's this one? Praying hands. AKA?
Oh!
No AKA. Whoa, look at those roots.
I wish I could take this grass with me. It's so...
Should I pull?
I should be able to.
Wow, this is some big roots. It was very happy here.
Yep. I'm so sad.
It'll be okay.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at the
root ball.
Wow.
Oh, there's another piece of moss.
Does this this feels like those excavation eggs.
It smells a little bad.
It's not it. Oh, there you go. Sulfury water.
Oh yeah, it's the water.
Looking good.
Yeah.
Get it in a pot right when you get home.
I will. These roots, why are they going up?
Is this what the guy did too? In Florida?
You wrapped it in newspaper. But, so yeah, pretty much.
You can do one more bag, probably. Like set it on it and then bring it up. Yeah. And you don't need to get this one wet because the other one's already wet. And then we'll just...
I do. I'm going to try to get it as wet as possible. And
okay.
Then wrap it up.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Do you know how to rip it? Do you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Be able to go up, but down.
They might break.
They'll break it. They'll go down.
Okay. Looks good. This one's easier to deal with.
Yeah.
This is the, oh, we should have put the tag.
It's fine, I know what they are.
Yeah.
Based on their size. I'll put the tags in my bag.
Actually, let's take it out again. Want to pull down at the bottom, on the bottom part? Okay, good?
Yay! Yep.
Okay, so now I just need to use this. Looks good. High five.
So here we go. Fits perfect!
We'll make it work.
It does not want to bend.
You can see my hand through. It's kind of cool.
I'm gonna move it even further back.
I'm gonna have to bend it.
This leaf is officially bent.
Okay.
And possibly broken, but it's fine. Oof. Come on, I'm gonna need it to be stretchy.
I mean, we kind of did it, but the thing is, they still, when they throw it, it might.
Yeah, but
Just go.
there's nothing we can do about that.
Yeah.
And it'll survive.
Yep.
It'll send out a bigger leaf next time. This one can just... You're lucky.
Perfect. Like, just buffer it. Buffer all the little spots in between the branches. It's not going to be pretty.
Oh, I should probably wear socks right now, too. For the chainsaw.
This will be amazing if it actually works.
It is working. Be careful, because there's a leaf furrow right here.
I bet you've never seen a banana tree packed this way. Too. Also, they're not trees, but you know what I mean.